Hi, it's me, Zay for Beeblebrox, the British Tech Guru. I have to dig a post hole. So we have all the equipment there, and I've marked where I'm going to be digging the hole. So what we're going to do is we're going to watch while I dig the hole. Now, first off, I'm going to clear this crusher run out the way, because I paid for this crusher run, and I'm not going to throw it on a scrap heap, because it wasn't cheap. So, gosh, it's quite deep there. Okay. Got the crusher run out the way. Now, I like this post hole digger because it allows me to dig the hole quite quickly and quite simply. Now, I'm aiming for a hole about 2 feet deep. 22 inches is good. 23 is better. But I mean, it's to support the disabled ramp. And of course I'll set it in concrete. And of course I'm not a handyman. I'm just doing this because it needs to be done. And if I don't do it, nobody else will. In fact, I built the ramp the first time round. This time round I've got some more money, so I can build it a little bit better, not out of reclaimed lumber. So what we'll do is we'll pause the video there. Okay, we've removed a fair amount of dirt from that hole, and let's see how deep that hole is now. Let's measure it, and let's get this last lot of dirt out. Okay, get the last lot of dirt out, and I'm going to measure the hole. 23 inches, that looks pretty good to me. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to drop the post into it. There. The next thing to do will be to concrete that after I dig the last post hole. Okay, there's some concrete, bag of concrete and a watering can, and this is my way of doing concrete, or rather filling that hole right there. So basically concrete that now I don't need to get behind this one because it's right up against the earth. Purists might not like what I'm doing, but it works. The concrete doesn't have to be massively strong. I'm just making sure that that thing doesn't fall over. It stays steady in the hole. some went down the back. That was good. Okay, and yes, that post does look vertical. Looks is all I care about, whether it looks vertical. I've got another 3 to do. Well, that is the fully concreted post, and if you notice, the horizontal board behind it is a dark colour. That is because it hasn't been replaced yet. These posts have been replaced, and the boards, the horizontal boards and the supporting boards have been replaced too. Because I have been rebuilding this disabled ramp, and this section needs to be replaced next. This bit has kind of sort of been replaced, and I've got to replace this bit after there, so about 2 feet there, and then it'll all be replaced. Which is rather good because it's all built out of reclaimed lumber. Now it's built out of new lumber. This is my crusher run driveway, and that is what I do with my leftover concrete. I put it on top of the crusher run to try and build the crusher run up into a decent driveway. But this is only leftover concrete, and I used that, well, there's about 3/4 of a bag left over there, the latest bit, and I couldn't save it because it was already beginning to go hard in the bag, and I only bought it the other day from Lowe's. So that's what I do with my leftover concrete. If you look carefully at this ramp, you see there are screws, and where there are screws, that's old bit of ramp. Well, my new thing is I nail the boards on, because the screws just disintegrate when I unscrew them. So all this lot has been nailed, and I will nail the rest of it. I will take the screws out and put them to one side, and then just nail everything.